Today in this video I'm going to show you Instagram introduces TikTok-like short videos. Feature Reels in India. Without wasting time, so let's start it. First you need to update your Instagram. Open after Instagram is updated. Short video app TikTok was banned in India. Facebook's photo sharing app Instagram has announced the extension of testing of its short video format Reels in India. Instagram said through a fairly broad test, Reels will be rolled out to most of India from Wednesday. Reels has been tested in Brazil, Germany and France before India. The company said Reels will enable people to record and edit 15 seconds multi-clip videos with audio effects, and users could share Reels content on their feed or through a new space on the Explore section. Tap the camera icon on the top left. At the bottom you'll see options such as Live, Story, and Reels. Tap Reels. Now you can start creating Reels on Instagram. The maximum length of any video clip is 15 seconds at the moment. We'll walk you through all the options in the next few steps. To record Instagram Reels, tap the big white circle icon. The same button lets you stop recording too. Finally, you can also add music to it by tapping the music icon on the left. The best part here is that you can see the lyrics on screen and choose any part of the song that you want to use. TikTok allowed you only a specific 30-second clip for each song, but on Instagram Reels you have the freedom to pick your favorite parts of any track. Before you start recording you can add a few effects via icons on the left side. To adjust video recording speed, the right arrow icon which looks like the play button. You can record videos in slow motion at up to 0.3x or speed them up to 3x. Add effects to your videos, tap the smiley button and swipe right on the big white circle. This will show you all available effects and you can pick what you like. The effect icon shows up inside the big white circle and you can tap it to start recording. Instagram Reels also allows you to set a 3-second timer before recording any clip. Tap the timer icon on the left and set the duration for your clip, 0.1 to 15 seconds, and tap Set Timer. When you start recording, you will see a 3-second timer on screen before the video begins. You can add music before recording a video to create lip-sync videos, or you can add it after recording to give it a cool soundtrack. Once you have recorded a reel, you can share it on Stories simply like the Instagram Stories. Unlike the regular Instagram Stories, Reels can be shared in the Explore section. And it can be viewed by everyone on the social media platform. Reels also has a tool called Use Audio, which will allow others to use your original audio to create their Reels. If you want more videos of this type, you must like, share and subscribe to the channel.